Welcome back to Wheel World, where speed meets soul. And today, we're not just reviewing a car, we're witnessing a masterpiece of engineering. Meet the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, a hypercar that doesn't just push boundaries, it destroys them. At first glance, the Chiron Super Sport looks like it's in motion even when parked. With its aerodynamic longtail design, massive air intakes, and a wider, lower stance, it screams performance and elegance in perfect balance. This isn't just a redesign, it's Bugatti's boldest expression of speed, luxury, and precision. Under the hood, the magic begins. The heart of this beast is a legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, delivering a staggering 1,600 horsepower and 1,180 pound-foot of torque. The result? 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. And with a top speed electronically capped at 273 miles per hour, this machine is built for the brave and the skilled. But performance is nothing without control. Bugatti's re-engineered 7-speed dual-clutch transmission offers lightning-fast shifts, while the adaptive suspension system and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires ensure maximum grip at any speed. Even at over 200 miles per hour, the Chiron remains shockingly composed. Inside, luxury takes center stage. The cabin is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber, and polished aluminum. No screens, no distractions. Just a pure, focused driving environment. The analog speedometer goes up to 310 miles per hour, a subtle reminder of what this car is truly capable of. Bugatti didn't build this for numbers on paper. They built it for the 1% of drivers who understand feel. The 2026 Chiron Super Sport offers unmatched driving dynamics. Aggressive yet refined, brutal yet beautiful. On the road, it's a work of art. On the track, it's a weapon. In a world competing with the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute and Hennessey Venom F5, the Chiron Super Sport stays true to Bugatti's legacy: effortless speed, uncompromised luxury, and timeless design. And yes, exclusivity is part of the package. With only a limited number being handcrafted, and prices starting at around $3.9 million, this isn't just a car, it's a passport to a very private club. So, if you're chasing limits, or looking to redefine them, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport might just be the ultimate expression of power and prestige. This is Wheel World, and this is the future of hyper-performance.